at the stall of Kaya, where you see some beautiful designs for women's wear. And with me is the owner, Mr. Lalji Kerakia, and the designer, Chetan Thakkar himself. So we will speak to both of them and get their views and experience so far. Thank you so much, first of all, for talking to us. How has been your experience here in the past 3 days?
Too good and it's excellent. And thanks to CMI, so I get the chance to show my stuff and everything. And the most speaking my Mr. Chetan.
All right. So we will straight away go to the designer himself, Mr. Chetan Thakkar. Thank you so much for talking to us. आपका क्या inspiration क्या है behind making these beautiful designs?
एक ही इंस्पिरेशन है हमारा कि हम जो भी लॉन्च करें हम 6 मंथ एडवांस रहना चाहते हैं.
So ये लेडीज कलेक्शन जो है बहुत ब्राइडल वेयर लग रहा है, वेडिंग कलेक्शन लग रहा है. तो इसके पीछे क्या इंस्पिरेशन है आपका?
क्योंकि आगे जो अभी सितंबर से लेके दिसंबर तक जो सीजन्स आने वाली है सब मेरे सीजन्स हैं, तो उसकी हमने तैयारी की है अभी जो की है ना वो. और ये ज़्यादा वेडिंग के लिए नहीं है, एक कॉकटेल लुक है.
आपका जो कलेक्शन है व्हाट क्या रेंज में है?
हमने जो माइन करके टाइम जो लॉन्च किया है वो 8,000 से लेके 16,000 तक की रेंज है, जो बजट लाइन है.
आपका कलेक्शन वेयर इज इट अवेलेबल फॉर द मास?
All the lending store in like all over India, in Bombay, Rupkala, Seasons, Bawri, Kalani Ketan, Queens.
डिजाइनिंग वे में ओनली डीलिंग इन लेडीज और आप जेंट्स का भी कलेक्शन कर रहे हैं?
नहीं, ओनली लीडिंग विद लेडीज.
That was the owner and the designer for Kaya, and as you can see around the beautiful collection, wedding collection, bridal collection and cocktail collection. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned. We are at the Vasai Industrial Expo 2016, the first of its kind at the Vasai Virar Belt.
एक्सिकॉन ने जो एग्जीबिशन का ऑर्गेनाइज किया है टू सपोर्ट द इंडस्ट्री हियर, लेट अस गिव हिम अ बिग थैंक.
रोजगार निर्माण करायला वेगवेगळ्या इंडस्ट्रीज वेगवेगळ्या सेक्टर्सला आपण प्रमोट करतो, सो ती माहिती जास्तीत जास्त इंडस्ट्रीज पर्यंत कशी पोहोचेल.
त्यांना मी धन्यवाद देतो की अशा प्रकारचा पहिला एक्सपो आमच्याकडे एसी पेंडॉल मध्ये लावला.
वसई इंडस्ट्रियल एक्सपो 2016 याचं या ठिकाणी उद्घाटन करताना मला मनापासून आनंद होत आहे.
We are basically storage solutions providers.
We are into everything as far as weighing is concerned. I think it's the first time in Vasai Belt and people are all excited about it.
Vasai is supposed to be one of the biggest industrial cluster.
Vasai is where all the industries are located. It's planned very well. I am really happy about what things have come up.
ऐसा हर 6 महीने के बाद यहाँ पर होना चाहिए ये सब.
In such a short time, organizing such a good event, I can say that hats off to them.
Exhibition Center at the Medical Fair India. India's #1 trade fair for hospital and healthcare center. There are places like Beijing, Taiwan, China, Korea, Malaysia, etc. that have been participating inside. Let's get inside and see what more the medical fair has for us.
It's a new product developed by our company.
My pulse rate is good.
We are manufacturing in China in Hebei province.
This is basically for the diagnosis for the body. Hypertension for ECG as well as for pregnant women.
We make masks which are certified to be exported all across the world.
We have registered a few products in India.
We are the Malaysian Rubber Export Promotion Council.
Standard is one brand which is into first aid kits.
We are the manufacturers of medical ultrasound devices.
They do shockwave therapy machine, basically a pain reliever.
We are creating an awareness for the people, and we've seen a very good response from the doctors.
It was a wonderful event, and we saw so many innovations for the medical industry.
We are at the Bombay Convention Exhibition Center in Mumbai, bringing to you the Maritime India Summit 2016. The biggest show India has ever seen on the marine industry is right here. The show has been inaugurated by the Prime Minister of the country.
To enable the growth of the port and related sectors, we have carried out several reforms and taken a number of new initiatives.
This is Maritime India Summit. It is happening for the first time in India that we are holding such an event.
Focusing on the Indian shipping, and this is the good opportunity for me to learn something new.
It's a great chance for us to visit India and have many business chances.
Solar boat is 100% powered by solar. Zero emission, zero fuel.
We are dredging and marine construction. The new government is making moves to improve that. All the three simulators are made in India.
The maritime sector is a proud heritage for India.
We are here not only as a maritime sector but as an entire integrated player in the maritime sector.
The maritime industry is an industry for the next 2 decades. It's got no stopping.
Welcome to Bangalore IEIA Open Seminar 2016. The theme for this year's seminar is collaborating to achieve excellence. Let's go inside and see what's in store for us.
IEIA Open Seminar is always good opportunity to network, to meet colleagues, friends, partners from the industry.
Global Exhibitions Day is a really important industry initiative.
It has provided once again the most important platform for the exhibition industry in India.
The complete information about the exhibition is in your palm top now.
We should have more initiatives like this.
I think when you look at India, there's a huge potential. It goes much beyond exhibitions. It's a team effort. The entire executive committee worked on it very hard.